Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to straighten your kanekalon hair without burning it. So if you want to see how I do that, watch to the end of the video. Also, if you like the hair color and the texture and the highlight and the blend, I just did a video on how you can achieve this highlight, so I will link it. Go and watch it, and also please stay to the end of the video. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the video. Bye bye. Hi guys, in the previous video I showed you guys how to make the hair bundles, and I have a couple of videos that do the same tutorial, so I'm going to link them down in the description box so that you can go ahead and check it out. I'm moving on to my sewing machine, and I'm just going to quickly continue to sew the wig because I have tons of sewing. I have a very detailed sewing machine wig tutorial, and I have tons of other wig making tutorials. So again, I'm going to link them in the description box, or I'm going to link them up in the video so that you can go ahead and watch it. But yeah, I'm basically just sewing down the wig. As you can see, I drew the lines where I was going to sew the tracks, and then on my sewing machine I'm using a zigzag stitch, and I am sewing it down with a zigzag stitch and back stitching for safety. I'm just going to complete this until I use all of the wefts and all of the hair is full and secured, because it's not like scanty wigs over here. Alright, once you're done, this is what your wig should look like. And for the magic of today, we're going to be using spritz. If you're familiar with styling wigs, you know what spritz is, and you probably have it. So I'm going to spray spritz down on the hair, and I want you guys to be very, very generous. Also, I'm going to show you guys that my sewing machine, my hair straightener is on. And it's the regular kind, it doesn't have the regulator, so it goes as high as possible. And as you can see, it's just straightening the hair, and it's also giving it this glossy shine and finish, and it's just absolutely amazing. And it's not even burning the hair. Like, look at it. Again, I'm just going to come back, and I'm looking like, look at how the hair is, and it's also very flexible. So if you think that your hair is going to be stiff when you do this, no babies, no dolls, it is not. And also I'm just going to brush it out, because that is what you want to do. You want to brush out the hair after every session of straightening. Look at how shiny and luscious and shiny your hair is. Like, this is the ultimate hair treatment, where you get these kanekalon braided wig hairstyles to make them really shiny and soft and flexible after you do the hot water and shea butter treatment. Now I'm going to prep to do the other roll so that you can actually see like the difference. But first you want to take out some hair, and then you want to secure it up in a bun, and then when all that's in place, I'm just going to show you guys the difference. Like, see how this one looks in the beginning. It's rough, it's looking messy, and then look at the difference. Like, this one is more shiny, more glossy, softer, and it looks even really, really put together than the other one. So I just want to urge you guys to not be afraid to experiment with your kanekalon wigs. At least it's very inexpensive, so you're not breaking the bank, and you can have the absolute fun, like the absolute most fun with this. Again, I'm just going to go in, and I'm repeating the same process. Like I said, you want to be very generous with the spray, and I'm just testing again so that you guys know that this is legit. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to keep making my pads, and I'm just going to keep straightening the hair until we've got everything under control. If you love this video so far, and if you have learned any one new thing from this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I have a whole series on these, and I want to keep posting videos on how you can have as much fun as you want to with your kanekalon wigs and your kanekalon hair. So please do not forsake me, and please watch this video. Thank you. Subscribe and share with friends. I will eternally love you and be grateful. Now I finished straightening everything and everything's looking nice and dandy. I'm just going to give it one good brush one last time so that you see how good it is. And can you imagine that this is all of the shedding I got? Like, can you imagine minimal shedding? You guys should always treat your connecting wigs. Again, I have a tutorial on how to treat that, so go ahead and watch that. Okay, so here is like the explanation on like a very detailed do and do not, like do's and don'ts of when you're doing this. So first off, I am going to moderately spritz the hair in, like I'm going to moderately spray the hair with spritz, and as you can see it did get burnt somewhere along the way. And then for this next one I'm just going to go raw and just try and iron it like that so you guys see the difference. And then I'm going to take this other bunch of hair and then I'm going to like douse it in spritz. I'm just going to go ham. I'm going to spritz it all the way, and as you can see, no burn, like no burn, no crinking, hair to not even bunch up. Hair was looking good and safe and secured. And yeah, basically that's the tea. So as you can see, there's a huge difference when you use the spritz and when you do not use it, and I urge you guys to go ahead and use it so that you can have the most fun right now. Because like I miss this kind of videos where I just show the wig and model it and whatnot. I'm going to use my foundation and tint it, and I'm going to highlight on the middle part with concealer, which is like my color, cut off the lace and just put the wig on, and boom, it's ready to go. I didn't cut the lace fully because I don't know what happened, but I didn't want to cut the lace fully. And then now I'm just going to brush the hair. You cannot tell me that this wig doesn't look very, very nice. Like, it actually looks well made and everything. So that's it, guys. Alright, this is a wig. I'm not going to do anything much more to it because I feel like it's already nice. And also I'm running late. I have to be on my way to Douala. But slay. If you enjoyed this, like, scalp wear, where is the nuts? Where are the nuts? Like, anyways, if you love this wig, if you love this video, you know what to do. Please, I beg in the name of God, watch my videos, okay? Like, I have a playlist. Go and check out the playlist if you like videos like this. Watch my videos, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment down below, all the good stuff. I'm gonna see you in my next video. I forgot to highlight. It's been long since I did beauty videos, so let me flaunt.